Hey guys, today we're gonna be looking at some gooey jelly mixed with liquid and collisions with another character. A lot of the fun stuff that we'll be covering is how we can control the E attribute to create some fancy bouncy effect and raw sort of jello-ish, nasty core materiality on the sphere that you see on the egg of our guy here inside of the MPM solver. So I'll show you guys inside of the MPM solver how we can get this sort of like splashy reaction, how this splashy reaction can interact with the core, and how using some noises can take it a really long way. And these noises will help us sort of goo some areas more than others. You can see it right here that the black areas of the geometry are going to start breaking more and creating these jaggedy edges for the liquid to sort of goo through those areas. Once we play with that a little bit and we mesh the geometry, then we can talk a little bit about how we can separate the geometry and the difference between using points, VDV particles from particle fluid surfaces, and how to integrate the character in there and have the character interact with everything. We'll take a brief look at the materials and set the render up with you guys so that you can have the same result that I did on the test. Stay tuned. We're going to be sharing this with you guys next week, and don't forget to subscribe.